Hi, my name is Clarissa Jack, and today I'm just going to be walking you through my presentation on this Wrangler ad. So the main purpose for this ad is really just promoting the sale of their jeans to a much younger audience, just playing off of the idea of living on the edge and being able to go out of your comfort zone and live spontaneously. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at the original ad. So the main thing that I wanted to focus on with this ad was really the typography or the font of the words that they used. And so the font for the actual slogan is really like scratched into this photo. And I really think that that's awesome because it just emulates further the message of living spontaneously and free-spiritedly. And I'd like to also point out that the text is left aligned because mainly the subjects are in the right half of the photo, but also I feel like it just fits better and works well with the alignment of everything. So let's take a new look at my new ad. So the first thing that I wanted to touch base on was the typography and font, mainly because that's what we look at first, and that's really the thing that I wanted to match the best. So I tried to find a text that was super similar to the original ad as to just make it coherent. So I used the slogan Dare to Explore, which I feel like was matching with the original ad and the feel of the entire campaign. So the font is again just scratched into the photo so that it emulates the same idea of just living dangerously. Another thing that I wanted to point out was just the style of the actual picture itself. So I chose this picture because not only the subject's matter of the picture matches the campaign, but also because the subject is in the right half of the photo so that I could just further match the original ad. But also the actual lighting and the style of the photo being taken is very much the same. There's motion in the photo and there's the same lighting. But for the actual content of the picture, I wanted to find a picture that didn't have the identical subject matter as the original ad, but just something that said the same message of just living on the edge. And so they're literally on the edge of a cliff, which I thought was very fitting for the ad. So, lastly, I really wanted to find a way to contrast the original ad while still complementing it. And so the best way I found was to find a picture that I could use a contrasting color in the text. And I messed around with a lot of different colors of fonts just to see what looked best, and I just decided to go with black because that fit best with the picture and it was mostly the easiest to read. So overall, this ad, original and my new ad, both portray a feeling of just living on the edge, like I've said before, and having a full life and just finding something that drives you to live the life you've always wanted to live and be adventurous. So I hope that you enjoyed this presentation and have a good day.